the clutch is really worn, so very easy on the throttle until the clutch is engaged. So like try not to speed up too fast or put too much torque on it until it's to that engaged speed. Yeah. I think you can probably feel at this point what that is. And then the brakes are extremely touchy. It's like it's a band brake on the clutch, so it's very touchy. So if you barely pull the brake at all, the thing will probably skid. So. Yeah. FYI, yeah, be easy on the clutch. If you hear a clicking noise, then start being easier on it. Like if you hear it, like the chain popping teeth, kind of thing. Yeah. So, yeah, just be easy on it. This is your kill switch. But yeah.
This has a new clutch on it. So
Alright.
Kind of sticky.
Alright.
Trying to lay down the left.
Yep. I'm used to that seat, so this one feels weird.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I saw you laying on the ground.
Yeah, I hit this and it rolled right on the front.
Lovely. Good job. one's a lot more fun than that one. I can really open up the throttle because I don't have to worry about the clutch.
Yeah. I think with the gearing on this guy, I don't know if it's a bigger sprocket.
Yeah.
It seems to want to take off like more power.
Yeah, this one has a jack shaft and then a small sprocket. That one's just straight. So
you can feel it on a straight.
Yeah, it does pretty good. This thing likes to hop. I love it.
I saw you get the front tire.
Yeah, that jump there, I'm trying to. There's like some really rough bumps there, so I'm trying to just clear them all and go to the other side.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. This thing's a lot of fun. Hey Jack, can you get some footage? Alright, give me just a sec. I'm gonna... I don't know. It's up to him. If I were him, I'd let you ride the mini bike.
Should I ask?
He can. I think he'll let you ride it. I know some people on dirt bike, or I know somebody with like a little 125cc pit bike and a one of those little mini ATVs, like the ones they have at Odyssey, you know, the little tiny ones. And then he's also got a go-kart, and he's like, hey, we're gonna be heading out. And I'm like, all right, you guys can come over here.
Yeah, and I can't have anybody riding here unless I'm here. And actually, in the future, I'll need a note for you guys' parents.
Okay.
It's okay if you guys are riding here.
All right.
Because I don't want anyone getting hurt.
Yep. That makes sense.
Yeah, just get a note from parents that says we can ride here and there's no liability for them.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Since I just wiped out and almost broke the photo.
Yeah, it might be a good idea.
How old are you? Oh, okay. I thought so.
Funny part. Introducing the Borges bikes. Oh, we got air there. That's a Coleman CT 100. Not bad at all. And there's a CT 200. As you can see, Max is giving it a shot. I'm gonna change my position. Yeah, good luck with that. Have fun trying. Looks like he's pulling up. There's Max off in the distance.
Had a really nice April, but now May hasn't been real nice. A lot of rain, and then it's like winter rain coming all week. Like up to 2 inches of rain.
Here he comes.
The next one got stuck. When's the next one got stuck? He didn't like run.
He's like, do you have any motorcycles? Do you have any small ones? I said, yeah. I said, well, my son's got a little KX85. Could I ride that one? No. How come? I said, because it's probably the fastest machine out here. He's like, really? Yeah, it's very fast. Have you ridden that? That's a pretty fun little machine.
Looks cool.
That's what you need, Rod.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, $550.
Yep.
Take to college.
Dang, you see that?
The little scooter.
Doesn't zoom in far enough. Look at
He's
that.
a cool kid, man.
He's smart.
They're
he has
awesome.
so many machines. And he's
It's
fixing
so
them
cool.
himself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's so cool.
I don't know, but he's got a whole magazine you can buy for $5, Dad.
Yeah?
It's got every single machine he has.
Look at that.
Running good now. You just gotta get
Yeah,
after it. And
get
go.
clear, yeah.
Definitely something up. It's running like it's choked.
Yeah.
So I don't know if there's something up.
Does it run better at like quarter?
Yeah, that's yeah.
I'm not 100% sure. I want to check maps before we leave. Yep. It's that or we go out and spend the ladder. Yeah, it's up to you. We can go whichever way. We get in trouble, I'll just blame the adults. I'm following him, he said we wouldn't get bothered, so.